welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a monthly faves slash fails or dislikes, products that didn't work out. I'm going to go ahead and start off with those because it's just two. We can get them out of the way and we can start with the good stuff. So the two products that didn't work out for me this month were from the BoxyCharm box for the month of August, and it's the Bang Beauty like eyeliner, cream gel eyeliner, which honestly I didn't like it, but I was like, maybe I'll use it like on my brows, and it's a no, girl. It's a definite no. And yeah, sucks, but it is what it is. And then if you guys haven't already watched my first BoxyCharm unboxing slash tutorial and you haven't seen the mess this palette was, this is my second fail of the month, and it's the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, which literally sucked. You know what, like it sucked that bad. So I will link that video down below so you guys can check it out if you guys would like to see how this palette, I was going to say worked, but since it didn't work, like if you want to see how this palette performed, just check out that video. Moving on to the favorites, which is what we're here for. I'm going to start off by updating you guys on two products that I told you I would update you guys in my monthly faves. And first one is the Makeup Revolution stick foundation. Now I tried it again, and I tried it like with a different primer. I tried it with no primer. I tried it with a different brush, a different sponge, and I ended up liking it. I do really like how it applies best with the Sigma Flat Top Kabuki, so that's definitely the go-to to apply this foundation. And the color, I feel like once I finish all my makeup, it looks good. I just need to add a little extra like bronzer, which is perfectly fine with me. And it's an affordable stick foundation, $9? Yeah, $9. I have the shade F7, and yeah, I ended up really liking it, which I was personally really surprised. And it's actually what I'm wearing today, and if I do say so myself, it looks fabulous. The other thing that I told you guys I would update you guys is the sponge, the Velvet Microfiber Juno & Co sponge. I have not used any of my other sponges since I got this one and since I tried it, and I'm obsessed with it and I recommend it, and it's only $6, and that's basically it. Like, I love this stuff. It's bomb.com. Moving on to two of my favorites that I can't even decide which one I like more. It's two concealers. Too Faced Born This Way Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. These I feel like are very good dupes for one another. So if you're looking for a good concealer and you want to splurge, $29 Too Faced. If you want something more affordable, Makeup Revolution, $7. So I'm obsessed with these. Like, I switch them off from day to day. Like, I'll use Makeup Revolution Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just because I love them so much. I feel like if I wore one on each under eye, I wouldn't tell a difference because I feel like they work exactly the same, and yeah, they are amazing. I feel like this was a month of starting to use products that I stopped using. So like, I basically shopped my own collection and started using products that I bought maybe 2 or 3 months ago and I stopped using. The first favorite is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I started using this baby again, and oh my gosh, why did I even stop using it? I'm obsessed with it now, as I was when I first tried it out, and I told you guys that I recommend it 100% and that I love it. It's for all skin types, brightening complexion. It does have SPF 20, but I just love how it looks on the skin. Like, I really enjoy how lightweight but full coverage it is. This is probably my most lightweight foundation with a very full coverage look, which I am personally really digging. I really love the applicator. I know people don't tend to like these type of applicators for foundations. I personally think this is a very unique applicator compared to all the foundations I have, which are all pump foundations. And yeah, I really enjoy this foundation. I am loving it again. Now, another product that I found when I was cleaning out my palette drawer, because I had to split it just because it was filled to the top and there was a hot ass mess. I couldn't see what palettes I had anymore. It was a mess. So I rearranged them, and then I started using this baby again, and I'm obsessed again. Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. This palette, it's everything and more. I love the colors. I mean, you guys can tell what colors I use the most because this is a palette that's on my eyes today. I decided to do a little bit different and do like a smoky brown, which I ended up really liking. So yeah, I was using this baby right here. Now, I was going to do the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palettes reviews. I'm going to do a review for each palette, but I am going out of town for maybe like a few days, and I didn't want to rush the tutorials because that's just, I don't like that type of vibe for my videos when I'm rushing and I'm just gonna edit it quickly just to get it up. That's not me. You guys know it. I prefer to wait. Now, I was going to do the review for the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection because I did order it and I did buy it, but I do want to try it out, and I will be going out of town. And I was going to do like a first impressions for all 4 of them and like rush them. I have 2 days to do all 4 tutorials and like first impressions of them. And I honestly didn't want to rush it and just put a half-ass job up just so I can go with the flow of everyone uploading the videos. You guys know that's never been me. So I'm not going to start this week and do it for those palettes. I rather take them on my trip with me and try them out, see how they work, and I can give you guys a really good full in-depth tutorial and not just like a first impressions, because I'm not the biggest fan of first impressions. But yeah, so I decided to do my favorites for you guys instead. I hope you guys are okay with that. I'm still going to have the review for those, like I said. So yeah, the next palettes I have are these 2 very beautiful palettes from Juvia's Place. I use these a lot this past month and I'm obsessed with them. Past month, I mean like August. And I love the packaging. I love the pigmentation. I love how they work. They work amazingly. I recommend these 100%. These colorful eyeshadow palettes, if you're in the market for some of those, these are bomb. This one has a lot more like wearable tones, and like if you want to do maybe like a soft brown in your crease with like a pop of color in your lower lash line, this palette is really good for that. I like this one a lot. Well, I like both of them. This one, I just like it because of these browns down here, especially this one named Cairo. It's like the perfect like orangey brown with gold flecks, and I love that about that shadow in specific. But yeah, these are really good palettes, and it's the ones I use mostly in the month of August. Now, Too Faced products. Not Too-Faced, Too Faced products. The first one being the Flower Beauty Galactic Glow Holographic Palette. I bought this I think like a month or 2 ago and I still hadn't used it. Oh my gosh, why? Because it's bomb.com. I don't know why. I just had it sitting in the back of my drawer, but I decided to use it and I'm obsessed with how good this freaking palette is. I love the packaging, how holographic it is. And the colors are gorgeous. A color in here actually reminds me a lot of a new Nikkie Tutorials highlighter they have with Ofra. And I seem to think that it's very similar. I don't know about you guys. Obviously, I don't have her highlighter. But do you guys see her new highlighter? It looks very similar to this one. You can see that blue holographic undertone. And I was thinking of buying that one. But now that I have this one, well, not now, I've had it for a while, but now that I started using this palette and I love it and I have that shade, I don't think I need the Nikkie one. So yeah, this palette is amazing. I love that you can create so many different combinations. You can mix all 4 of them, you can mix 2 of them, 3 of them, you know, you can do whatever you want, use them singly. I
Singly, is that a word? Use them singly? Use them individually.
Right? Right? I think that's what it is. If it's not, someone will let me know in the comments and I'll be like, damn, that's how you said it. But anyways, this palette's bomb. I love it. And I bought it at Walmart in case you guys are wondering, but I just saw it at Ulta, so yes. Next, Step Right Up, that's the name of the palette, is this ColourPop Face Duo, and it's a bronzer, contour. I use it for my nose contouring because it's the perfect color. It's not too cool, but it's also not too warm, and I don't really like a warm contour for my nose. I prefer a much cooler tone like this one, and the highlight is to die for. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. I hope you guys can see it. And I think this palette's only like $9 or $10, so super affordable. I went back to using my Pixie
Glow-E Duo? Gossamer? I don't know how you pronounce it. My little palette duo highlight thing. I'm a bobber.
In the shade Delicate Dew. I love the formula of these so much because they're so smooth and creamy and buttery. They don't emphasize anything on the skin, which I personally am a big fan of. And I love wearing them combined rather than individually. I don't know, I just feel like combined it gives them more of a pop and a better glow. So yeah, this one's definitely pretty on its own. This one I feel like is a tad bit too gold for me, which is why I like mixing them better. And lastly, this is the lip product that I used a lot this month in combination with the lip gloss duo that I showed you guys last month. I feel like that'll be my favorite every month, so I don't need to show it. I did do the NYX Nude Lip Liner with Revlon gloss, which I am really digging those Revlon glosses. I want to buy different colors. But this is the Glow by Glory Glow Stick in the color Sugar Dumpling, and I love this. It's like the perfect mauve terracotta liquid lipstick that goes just with every everyday look that I do. It's just perfect. I love it. I love the formulation of these, and they smell really good. I don't think they smell necessarily like cupcakes or vanilla. It's just a different scent, but it's a sweet, very yummy scent. So yeah, that's basically it for my favorites and fails, or favorites and disappointments of the month of August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook, because I do have a Facebook. You can find me on all of them by MakeupByMisela. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!